about to do start, but I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
So.
Behind us.
Okay, behind us.
Hey, we should find my mom. Hey, Patrice, we forgot to get cards. Let's go back.
Maybe we'll see some other guys and like go gross.
I don't know, cause we need a deck of cards for the house. Hi. Do you like to be on camera?
She's so cute.
I know.
I go gross.
She's gonna go back to the sky. She's gonna go gross. Watch, listen to her. Listen, ready?
Gross.
She just went up to the sky and went gross in his face. She's gonna do it again. Hi. Hi. Oh God. I don't know. Let's get cards. Come on. Hi. Just kidding.
No. Yeah.
Oh my God, where's cards at? Say hi to that guy.
No.